Hello guys, this is Yash. This is Samad. Samad, say hi.
Hello.
And we are back again with our second part. और फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम आप सबने बहुत अच्छा लव एंड सपोर्ट दिया और वी होप कि हम आगे भी आप हमें ऐसा ही लव एंड सपोर्ट देते रहे. एंड इन द सेकंड पार्ट हम बाकी रिमेनिंग 4 टीम्स के एक्सेस करने वाले हैं, which are KKR, SRH, Rajasthan Royals and Kings, Punjab Kings. And Samad, over to you.
So personally, I'm a fan of these 4 teams, and they have been always rated as the underdogs of IPL. But they have done great things, and great players are coming from those teams, So I would be looking forward to SRH in particular, Sunrisers Hyderabad, and there's gonna be David Warner, Johnny Bairstow, and Rashid Khan, and that team is just amazing. And the Indian pacer core, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Natarajan. So let's just move on to SRH. I'm really excited to have an analysis of them.
Hello guys, this is Yash. This is Samad. Samad, say hi.
Hello.
And we are back again with our second part. और फर्स्ट पार्ट में हम आप सबने बहुत अच्छा लव एंड सपोर्ट दिया और वी होप कि हम आगे भी आप हमें ऐसा ही लव एंड सपोर्ट देते रहे. एंड इन द सेकंड पार्ट हम बाकी रिमेनिंग 4 टीम्स के एक्सेस करने वाले हैं, which are KKR, SRH, Rajasthan Royals and Kings, Punjab Kings. And Samad, over to you.
So personally, I'm a fan of these 4 teams, and they have been always rated as the underdogs of IPL. But they have done great things, and great players are coming from those teams, So let's just move on to SRH. I'm really excited to have an analysis of them. So hello, ये टीम आ गई है हैदराबाद से, हैदराबादी दम बिरयानी, डेविड वार्नर जिसके कैप्टन हैं, और इस टीम का नाम है सनराइजर्स हैदराबाद. काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा है इनका पिछले कुछ IPLs में, एंड देयर बैटिंग लाइनअप इज सॉलिड एंड देयर बॉलिंग इज गुड. लेट्स सी व्हाट वी गॉट फॉर देम. यश, ओवर टू यू.
तो मैं ये कहना चाहेगा कि हर सीजन लास्ट 4-5 सीजन से हैदराबाद का ऐसा सीजन रहा है कि क्वालिफाई कर लेती है लेकिन एंड मोमेंट में जाके प्लेऑफ्स में अच्छा नहीं परफॉर्म कर पाती है.
एक्चुअली ये उनके लिए एक कमी रही है. एक IPL शायद जीता है उन्होंने, एंड 2016 का IPL जीता है उन्होंने, लेकिन उसके बाद से दे हैव बीन टू द प्लेऑफ बट दे जस्ट कुडंट.
2016 वर्सेस बैंगलोर फाइनल्स जीता था,
तो दे जस्ट कुडंट मेक द
बैंगलोर को हराकर.
That has been a drawback of SRH. But let's talk about the positives. सबसे बड़ा SRH का गन डेविड वार्नर, DW. क्या रन बनाते हैं हर सीजन. ऑरेंज कैप की लिस्ट में आपको दिखेंगे. टॉप 5 रन गेटर्स में रहते ही रहते हैं, और ओवरऑल इट इज अ वेरी अटैकिंग लाइनअप.
मुंबई इंडियंस के बाद जो मुझे सबसे स्ट्रांग टीम लगती है
एक्चुअली
वो मुझे SRH लगती है.
एंड लेट्स हैव अ इन डेप्थ एनालिसिस ऑफ SRH. सो ओपनिंग क्या लगता है?
ओपनिंग में मैं कहना चाहेगा कि डेविड वार्नर के साथ ओपनिंग में कौन करेगा, बेयरस्टो या शाह? साहा. तुम्हें क्या लगता है?
Well, it depends on the 4 foreigner players that they are playing, So let me first name the 4 foreign players, then I will think about the thought. So first is David Warner for sure, And I would like to play please SRH management, please play Kane Williamson, please. So second will be Kane Williamson. I'm requesting them to. I'm just requesting them, Kane Williamson is a must, He should play in the team. And DW, Kane. Then it's gonna be Rashid Khan for sure, the turnaround bowler of SRH. And the 4th spot, well, I'm going with the seniority and I'm going with experience. I'm going with Johnny Bairstow for the 4th. It was a tough competition between Mujibur Rahman and others, and Jason Roy, but I'm going with Johnny Bairstow for the initial matches, So that's my 4 foreign players. But then who is your 4th foreign player, Yash?
It's either Nabi or Holder.
Either Nabi. Oh, that's an interesting choice, I must say. So why is it Nabi?
लास्ट ईयर भी हमने देखा था कि जब इनको स्टेबिलिटी नहीं मिल पा रही थी तो उन्होंने बेयरस्टो को बाहर किया था. उसके पहले ओपनिंग साहा से कराई थी और उस मैच में भी साहा ने कुछ शायद 100 मार दिए थे. And last season they were like quite, the comeback was really strong by SRH, and they qualified and they ended up in 3rd position in the points table, and so it was a great comeback by them. They also defeated RCB in the मेरे 4
eliminator.
foreign players ये डेविड वार्नर, विलियमसन, राशिद खान तो खेलेगा ही. फिर अगर स्लो ट्रैक्स है तो हम मोहम्मद नबी, और वही अगर फास्ट पिचेस है तो हम होल्डर के साथ जाएंगे. Okay, so these are our
4 foreign players. In the Indian core team, I would like to have Manish Pandey, and I would also include the youngster Priyam Garg. He won them a couple of games in the last year's IPL, Priyam Garg. the captain of Uttar Pradesh team, and I would go with Wriddhiman Saha, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, Khalil Ahmed, Thangaseru Natarajan, and one player would be either Vijay Shankar or Kedar Jadhav. So this is my 11, and what's yours? And also we are ignoring Sandeep Sharma. He has a great economy. He is a great economy, you know.
Starting में इनका swing.
Yeah, actually, as the swing, and he's a very economical bowler, you know. I've seen some games where he has gotten Kohli twice in the IPL, you know. So he is a great bowler, Sandeep Sharma, to be included in the lineup. So either I'll play Khalil or Sandeep Sharma, you know, and I'll prefer Sandeep Sharma over Khalil Ahmed, of course.
हाँ, लेकिन खलील इस कारण भी नहीं खेल पाएगा क्योंकि नटराजन और खलील एक टाइप के बॉलर हो जाते हैं दोनों लेफ्ट आर्म, तो आई गेस
Natarajan is very good with the
going to avoid that.
Actually, yeah.
I'm going with Sandeep
and I'm just praying to God. I'm just praying to God that Bhuvaneshwar Kumar shouldn't get injured this season, you know. I'm just praying to God.
हाँ भाई,
he has to have a good season.
हैदराबाद को क्वालीफाई के बाद अगर प्लेऑफ्स में भी अच्छा खेलना है तो फिर उनको भुवनेश्वर कुमार
SRH, you need Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. He's your experienced bowler, you know, and he's gonna take those crucial wickets and he's gonna defend those 19th over, you know. So that's what Bhuvaneshwar Kumar is there for. And other than that, it's a solid lineup. And so let's move on to the main question, you know, the thing which we are doing here. Will SRH go to the top 4 according to you?
पहले मैं अपनी प्लेइंग 11 बताता हूँ.
So Yash, what's your playing 11? Is it different from my side?
It's a bit different. I would go for David Warner, Wriddhiman Saha, Manish Pandey, Williamson, Priyam Garg, Abdul Samad, and then Rashid Khan. For depending upon the pitch, either Nabi or Holder. Holder ने इनके लास्ट सीजन बहुत अच्छा किया था जब वो मिचेल मार्श के बदले रिप्लेसमेंट में आए थे. फिर भुवनेश्वर कुमार, संदीप शर्मा and Natarajan. This is my playing 11.
Perfect. Sandeep Sharma and Natarajan. Yeah, it's great 11, Yash, and I'll be happy to see this 11 playing, you know. So I look forward to their games, and I would also like to make a comment here, you know. I think this year Rashid Khan is gonna take a lot of wickets, you know, and he's definitely gonna be in the top 5 wicket takers list. And he can
SRH का तो leading wicket taker is going to be Rashid Khan.
He can even take the purple cap this season. I'm going to make a prediction because Rashid Khan, you know, is looking in great touch, you know. He's just amazing.
Definitely he's going to be in top 3 in leading wicket takers list.
And Warner is always in contendership for the orange cap, so he's also there, you know. So overall, what do you think?
वैसे भी हैदराबाद के पास ऑरेंज कैप ऑलरेडी है.
ऑरेंज कैप तो ऑलरेडी है, पर्पल चाहिए जो कि राशिद करामती खान दिला सकते हैं उन्हें, तो वो बात.
और देखा गया है कि अगर लास्ट की
अगर इनको देखता हूं तो मेरे को उस टीम क्या आती है पता है, कोची टस्कर्स खेल रहा थी ना, उनके पास पर्पल कैप भी थी, ऑरेंज कैप भी थी, पर कुछ नहीं कर पाए.
ऑरेंज कैप भी थी पर कुछ नहीं कर पाए.
एक नंबर. तो वो टीम भी याद आती है, लेकिन बट दे आर अ फार बेटर साइड देन दैट. एंड सो विल दिस टीम बी इन टॉप 4? यश,
I think they're going to be in top 2, in second place.
That's a big revelation here, you know. So SRH will be our third team to be in the top 4, you know, and we'll reveal the fourth one later. So till date the prediction is MI, SRH and Delhi Capitals, right? And we are going to predict more.
And mainly fourth can be CSK. Your 4 teams left. I have said that 4 teams gonna be CSK.
Actually. So Yash has already, you know, depicted his 4 teams. And according to me, the 4th team, I'll reveal it soon. It's a great lineup all over, and I'm excited to see their matches, you know. And I'll be very.
बहुत और interesting चीज देखी गई है कि जिन टीम के पास भी पर्पल कैप होती है और जिन के पास ऑरेंज कैप होती है, तो ऑलवेज पर्पल कैप की जो टीम है वो हमेशा बेटर परफॉर्म करती है.
Actually, it's a bowler's game, you know. Other than that, it's a solid core, and this team is definitely going to do well, I guess. So. Wrapping it up here. Prediction time. MVP of SRH. Yash.
David Warner,
MVP of SRH according to Yash. And for a change, I'll go with Rashid Karamati Khan. And he will be the MVP according to me. And the Dream 11 game changer of this team.
That could be Rashid Khan taking those crucial wickets in between the overs and empty dead side.
And I'm going with Manish Pandey, you know. I want Pandey ji to have an awesome IPL season. Manish Pandey, the Indian batsman of Sunrisers Hyderabad. I want him to have an awesome IPL season. So with this, we come to the end of analysis of Sunrisers Hyderabad and moving towards the next team. Too hot, too cool. All the kings say we rule. So Army Kolkata Knight Riders looks a great squad this IPL, you know, and one of the strong contenders for the title, Kolkata Knight Riders. And over to Yash.
तो KKR ऐसे तो ग्रेट टीम है, लास्ट ईयर भी 5th पोजीशन पे थी, अपने नेट रन रेट के कारण क्वालिफाई नहीं कर पाई थी। इस साल अपने ऑप्शंस में काफी बाय किए हैं, नंबर्स में ज्यादा है, तो अब देखते हैं कि क्वालिटी में भी उतना ही अच्छे हैं जितने नंबर्स में है। तो क्या ये नंबर्स और उनकी क्वालिटी इस बार उनको टॉप 4 में पहुंचा पाएगी?
Actually, and I'm looking forward to a couple of players, especially, you know, Shubman Gill, you know, and other than that, I want Dinesh Karthik to have a great IPL season, you know. It should be his 500-600 run season. I want Dinesh Karthik to score, you know, because he's such a good player and he deserves all the appreciation. Yeah, come on, yes, right? And after the
Shubman Gill, ग्रेट प्लेयर, लेकिन वो स्ट्राइक रेट का क्वेश्चन पिछले साल भी था। इस साल अगर वो अपने स्ट्राइक रेट में इम्प्रूव करे तो काफी बेटर होगा टीम के लिए।
So यश
और दिनेश कार्तिक का थोड़ा 500-600 स्कोर करना मुश्किल है, क्योंकि सामने ऑलरेडी प्लेयर्स है टॉप द ऑर्डर। दिनेश कार्तिक को कहीं ना कहीं डाउन द ऑर्डर आना पड़ेगा। हाँ, लाइक दिनेश कार्तिक को फ्लोटिंग वाला प्लेयर बनना पड़ेगा अपनी टीम को जिताने के लिए।
But I really want him to score from the bottom of my heart, यार। 4 foreign players, who are they going to play?
From my side, there are Shakib Al Hasan, Eoin Morgan, Andrew Russell, and Pat Cummins. What are your 4?
Okay, and my 4 are Eoin Morgan, of course, he's the captain.
The captain.
There will be Pat Cummins. And there will be Andre Russell, the muscle, you know. And I'm going with Sunil Narine, the extra element.
Sunil Narine.
Yeah.
Nice. Mystery baller.
I'm not going with Shakib Al Hasan because I don't know, he may play, but I prefer Sunil Narine more than Shakib Al Hasan because he couldn't take that crucial wickets and he has been so economical, so damn economical. Most interesting pick this auction, Bhajjupa. Why Bhajjupa in KKR?
Harbhajan Singh. Already they have
why did they
spinner like Varun Chakravarti and Sunil Narine. फिर भी they have picked Harbhajan Singh in their squad.
But why? I'm just curious to know. Like KKR management.
And they also have by side Kuldeep Yadav.
What will they do of these spinners? You know, I don't know. I just can't figure this out. You know. So Bhajjupa को क्यों लिया गया? Bhajjupa को क्यों लिया गया? बताइए यश. क्या हो सकता है?
I don't think. हाँ, बिल्कुल वैसे ही जैसे मुंबई इंडियंस ने पीयूष चावला को लिया है, एक्सपीरियंस और अपने जो इनके बॉलर्स है उनको कोच करने के लिए।
Actually,
मेरे को तो वही दिख रहा है।
तो सही कहा आपने काफी, and this can be an interesting buy. And also
वरुण चक्रवर्ती का थोड़ा फिटनेस का इशू रहता है। इंडियन टीम में भी अभी सिलेक्शन हुआ था, लेकिन प्लेइंग 11 में सिर्फ अपनी फिटनेस के कारण नहीं आ पाए थे, तो उनको अपनी फिटनेस पे ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा। और इनकी स्टोरी भी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, मतलब इन्होंने क्रिकेट खेला, फिर छोड़ दी, जॉब वॉब किया, फिर बोला कि नहीं यार मेरे को अपनी लाइफ में क्रिकेट खेलना, जॉब नहीं करनी, देन वापस वो क्रिकेट में आए हैं।
And he took 5 wickets last year in that one game, you know. That was his great game, and he also got Dhoni out, right? So Dhoni's wicket is always crucial for every bowler. So who will be the MVP of KKR? KKR?
It should be Andrew Russell. अगर KKR को qualify करना है, उनका सीजन अच्छा जाना है, तो it has to be Andrew Russell for the KKR.
And I am going with Shubman the Great Gill. Who will be the game changer for KKR?
I think it could be Shakib Al Hasan this time, क्योंकि लास्ट सीजन में इनकी जो बैटिंग ऑर्डर दिक्कत हो जा रही थी, इन लोग अपनी बैटिंग ऑर्डर नहीं समझ पा रहे थे। शाकिब अल हसन के आने से उनको वो स्टेबिलिटी बैलेंस मिल पा रहा है, तो आई थिंक शाकिब अल हसन कुड बी दिस स्ट्राइकर ऑफ द बॉल, प्लस जो क्रूशियल ओवर्स डाल के शायद विकेट, इकोनॉमिकल ओवर डाल के विकेट भी कुछ ले सकते हैं।
एक्चुअली काफी सही कहा आपने, शाकिब अल हसन हो सकते हैं, लेकिन मेरी तो प्लेइंग 11 में नहीं है शाकिब अल हसन, तो आई वुड गो विद सुनील नारिन।
व्हाट इज योर प्लेइंग 11?
Playing, as I told, the 4 foreign players, and adding to that Dinesh Karthik, Nitish Rana, Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Kuldeep Yadav, Chakravarti, and I would go with I'll give Shivam Mavi a chance, so 7. That's done.
I want Kuldeep Yadav to play, लेकिन I don't think KKR उनको खिलाने वाली है क्योंकि उनका बहुत बैड फॉर्म चल रहा है. लेकिन मैं चाहता है कि वो अभी खेले ताकि वो फॉर्म में आए और जब अपना T20 वर्ल्ड कप हो इंडिया में अच्छे से खेल सके.
वही that's why I want Kuldeep Yadav to just take some good wickets.
लेकिन I don't think KKR उनको खिलाएगी.
Yeah, first couple of games he won't make it. Yeah, I also think the same. But eventually he may play in the tournament. All eyes to the games.
My playing 11 could be Shubman Gill, Rahul Tripathi, Nitish Rana, Saqib Al Hasan, Ewan Morgan, Dinesh Karthik, Andrew Russell, Pat Cummins, Shiva Mavi, Prasidh Krishna, ending with Varun Chakravarti.
Great 11, just great 11. I would be looking forward to see such an 11 by KKR, And so the question comes here: are they going to qualify this year?
I don't think this time they could qualify. They have a chance क्योंकि last year हम लोग 5th position पे थे with the same 11. बस अभी साकिब अल हसन के आने से stability मिल पा रही तो I guess they can be in top 4. लेकिन I'm predicting they can't be in top 4.
And what my prediction is a bit interesting, See, I have already predicted the 3 teams, to you. The 3 teams are Mumbai Indians, SRH, and RCB, right? For the 4th team. For the 4th team, I'm having KKR and Punjab Kings, and I can't decide whom to select this time.
So, they could be a 4th qualifying team.
They will be. I'm sure that there would be a great fight for the 4th spot, in the Indian Premier League.
So they're always a 4th.
It will go down to the last day. It will go down to the last ball, the last day, the last match,
Last day.
And that's what
we hope for this.
Yeah, that's what we cricket lovers are hoping for, right? To have such a great Indian Premier League, So that's it from KKR, and now moving forward to the next team.
तो आज की हमारी 3rd टीम राजस्थान रॉयल्स है. क्या इस बार राजस्थान रॉयल्स हल्ला बोल पाएगी? क्या इस बार संजू सैमसन की कैप्टनशिप में ये क्वालिफाई और आखिर अपना 2nd IPL टाइटल जीत पाएगी सालों बाद?
So राजस्थान रॉयल्स काफी हिम्मत दिखाई है इन्होंने ऑक्शन में और काफी सारे प्लेयर्स को बाय किया है और अपनी कोर टीम को एक तरह से चेंज किया है इन्होंने. स्टीव स्मिथ को रिलीज किया है एंड दे हैव मेड सम मेजर चेंजेस. I think they are going to stick with these changes for a long time, and they are building a good core for them, for the future, I guess.
वही अपने कैप्टन को रिलीज कर दिया गया था.
वही कैप्टन रिलीज करना मतलब there must be major, issues with the captain or the management. I don't know, yeah. So सबसे बड़ी बात और जो सब लोग सुनने के लिए आए हैं यहाँ पे, क्रिस मॉरिस क्यों लिया गया है भाई इतना पैसा देके? क्रिस मॉरिस
थोड़ा ओवर बजट है, लेकिन ये है कि इस बार आईपीएल में डिमांड ज्यादा थी, सप्लाई कम था. उस कारण कुछ प्लेयर्स जिनको इतना वर्थ नहीं था उनको भी ज्यादा अमाउंट मिला गया है.
एक्चुअली जाहिर है बहुत खर्चे हुए हैं, खर्चे हो रहे हैं भाई साहब.
खर्चे हो रहे हैं भाई.
ये जो 2 टीम का एनालिसिस करेंगे, इन्होंने बहुत खर्चा किया है इन द होप्स ऑफ सम गुड रिजल्ट्स.
इस बार राजस्थान का सबसे बड़ा सेटबैक जोफ्रा आर्चर इंजर्ड है और वो इस सीजन नहीं खेल.
बहुत बुरा लगा था मेरे को सुन के भी. And Jofra Archer, such a key bowler for them, and they must be heavily depending on Jofra Archer for taking those crucial wickets and maintaining a good economy rate, But now
and that extra pace.
That's so disheartening, But that will be a huge miss to Rajasthan Royals. So still, out of the available options, which 4 are they going to take?
I think जोफ्रा आर्चर की थोड़ी कमी एंड्रयू टाई पूरा कर सकते हैं. हमने देखा था कि 2 साल जब ये गुजरात जॉइंट्स के लिए खेले थे, इन्होंने हैट्रिक तक ली थी और उनका अच्छा सीजन रहा था एक्चुअली. और बेन स्टोक्स और जॉस बटलर तो खेलने ही वाले हैं.
जॉस द बॉस
और क्रिस मॉरिस को जॉस द बॉस तो हैंगे. और बेन स्टोक्स तो इस बार क्या है कि ओपनिंग करना चाहते हैं, लेकिन ओपनिंग के लिए जगह नहीं है उसके लिए.
तो 4 फॉरेन प्लेयर्स
क्रिस मॉरिस है क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इतनी एक्सपेंसिव बाय है तो वो तो खेलने ही वाले हैं. तो इनके 4 प्लेयर बहुत फिक्स है.
Yeah, actually, and I quite agree with you. Chris Morris will be there, Ben Stokes, Josh Butler, and the 4th player they can also try Mustafizur Rahman. Why not?
Yeah, they can.
He can come back. They can try Mustafizur Rahman, and otherwise Andrew Tye is going to play surely. And Indian lineup, they have got some exciting players to watch out for, you know. So starting with the Indian lineup, which players are you going to go with?
My playing 11 would be Josh Butler and Jaiswal to open, followed by Sanju Samson,
okay, yeah.
Ben Stokes, Shivam Dube, Riyan Parag, Rahul Tewatia, Chris Morris, Shreyas Gopal, Andrew Tye, ending with Kumar Tyagi.
Okay. So I have some interesting.
What's your playing 11?
Yeah, so I mentioned you the 4 foreign players.
Waiting for your 11.
Yeah, the 4 foreign players, I mentioned it to you, right? So now what I'm gonna do is Sanju Samson will be there since he's the captain, you know, for sure. I'm going to include Mahipal Lomror. Have you heard of him?
I have heard.
Great player, you know, he great striker of the ball. And in his under 19 days, he was also called the junior Chris Gayle, you know. Yashasvi Jaiswal, I'm personally not that impressed. Yeah, I'm personally not that impressed with Yashasvi Jaiswal. Since the last IPL, we all had huge expectations from him, but that was a setback for the Rajasthan Royals team, you know. And I'm going to include Shivam Dube in it, you know, Shivam Dube for sure, because they have spent a lot of bucks on him, you know. So and after that we'll have Jaydev Unadkat can play, you know, due to his reputation.
In place of Tyagi?
No, Tyagi will play. Tyagi and Unadkat both will play. They need 3 pacers, you know. Riyan Parag will play for sure, 100% he'll play, you know. Riyan Parag, Rahul Tewatia, that makes 6. And the 7th player would be or could be, did I mention Shreyas Gopal? Shreyas Gopal will be the 7th player, you know.
No, it's my 7th.
Shreyas Gopal will be the 7th player. So this is my lineup. Exciting pick of Mahipal Lomror, but I don't know if the management picks him or not. So, yeah, I'll be looking forward to it.
I think if Jaiswal ka season अच्छा नहीं रहा, so then they are going for
Lomror, yeah. So coming to the question, MVP of Rajasthan Royals.
It would be Josh Butler opening करेगा, और we have seen अभी India England series में कि Josh Butler was in good touch, good form. Yeah, it could be also Ben Stokes providing 2-dimensional batting and fielding, batting and bowling side.
So my MVP would be, I'm going with Sanju Samson. He's the captain.
That's interesting.
Because he's the captain, and I think the added responsibility, he will do better in that case, you know. So Sanju Samson will be my MVP. He will score the most points for Rajasthan Royals. And the game changer for me would be Ben Stokes, you know, the greatest all-rounder in cricketing history till date, you know. Not till date, but currently. Till date, Kapil Paji. Bura mat manna, aap hi hai. Kapil Paji. So Ben Stokes, the greatest all-rounder now in cricketing world, you know. So who is your game changer for Rajasthan Royals?
It has to be Ben Stokes.
Ben Stokes, you know, Ben Stokes.
Koi all-rounder qualities which Ben Stokes provide to the team.
Actually. So, and coming straight to the point, are they going to make it this season?
I don't think abhi Sanju Samson is that mature to be a captain. And हमने देखा है कि लास्ट सीजन भी इनका स्टार्टिंग के 3-4 मैच अच्छा फॉर्म रहता है, लेकिन उसके बाद कंसिस्टेंटली कुछ सीजन देखें, उसके बाद वो इनिशियल मैचेस के बाद आउट ऑफ फॉर्म चले जाते हैं.
I agree to Yash 100% on whatever he said, you know. And I think what they are doing, the management knows this thing also, you know. They are just building a core, you know. They're building a core team, and they're going to keep this core for years. And then after 2-3 seasons, maybe when this core is strong, then they might lift the championship, you know. But right now they don't have a scene, you know. So that's it from Rajasthan Royals. Moving to the next team, which is Punjab Kings. यारां ने खाया कसमां हुण झगदे ने फट्टे वीरा दी टोली आई हुण बल्ले बल्ले. और ये किंग्स 11 पंजाब, जो कि अब हो गई है पंजाब किंग्स, की बात करने जा रहे हैं हम. मैं समर्थ और यश राजा. एंड ओवर टू यू यश.
तो इस बार प्रीति जिंटा की पंजाब किंग्स में शाहरुख खान है क्या? इस बार इनका वीरजारा हो पाएगा?
पंजाब किंग्स में शाहरुख खान है, प्रीति जिंटा की, और यहाँ पे क्या कुछ नया ला पाएगी ये टीम, क्योंकि ऑक्शन में अच्छे बायस से एंड एफिशिएंट बायस से मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, है ना. एंड दे हैव पिक्ड अप सम ग्रेट प्लेयर्स, यू नो. So without wasting any time, let's just go to the analysis point of view, you know. So क्या लगता है यश, कौन होंगे वो 4 फॉरेन प्लेयर जो खेलेंगे इतने पैक्ड लाइनअप में?
पिछली बार इन लोगों ने क्रिस गेल को इनिशियल मैचेस में नहीं खिलाया था,
बहुत सबसे बड़ी गलती पंजाब किंग्स की थी कि क्रिस गेल को ना खिलाना कुछ इनिशियल मैचेस में, बिकॉज ही इज अ ग्रेट प्लेयर एंड द रेपुटेशन दैट गेल हैज and the surrounding the junior players who are surrounded by Gale, they are just so motivated when a player like Gale is playing, you know. So please, from the first match itself, play Chris Gale, the universe boss Chris Gale, you know.
universe boss चाहिए भाई हमको.
So first
तो
is
कि इस बार वो गलती ये ना करे, तो Chris Gale
actually
डेविड मलान नंबर 1 T20 बैट्समैन जिसके लिए किसी और ने बिड नहीं की पंजाब के अलावा. David Malan.
Okay. Just take a pause. I would like to discuss why did other teams didn't, bid for David Malan.
मेरे ख्याल से रीजन हमको इंग्लैंड इंडिया सीरीज में देखा कि डेविड मलान का स्ट्राइक रेट 160 170 फास्ट बॉलर के सामने, वही स्पिनर्स के सामने उनका स्ट्राइक रेट 30s में आ जाता है.
Actually,
तो लगभग सारी टीम ने भी ये सोच लिया होगा कि डेविड मलान को स्पिनर से अटैक करना है. इसी कारण से मेरे ख्याल से बाकी टीम ने बिड नहीं किया.
I agree with you 100%, and that is what you get here in Yash Raja and Samad Suri Mishra analysis. You get the in-depth analysis, and the mathematical point of view of things and how things and the team owners view the auction and all. So that's why they did, any other team didn't bid for David Malan. Second player David Malan. The rest two.
Third would be Chris Jordan जो ऑलरेडी इनका लास्ट सीजन खेले ढंग से, और फोर्थ विल बी काइल रिचर्डसन जिनको पंजाब किंग्स ने 14 करोड़ दे के बाय किया है.
Actually, it was a great buy,
Heavy expensive है.
Actually,
तो obviously ये खेलने वाले हैं पंजाब किंग्स.
He's going to, he might play, So my 4 foreign players would be Chris Gale. Punjab management, play Chris Gale. Chris Gale. David Malan, please, yeah. I want to see Chris Gale in the field, dancing and scoring, hitting those big sixes, and the commentator jumping out of their seats. I want to see that. So, Chris Gale, David Malan, and Nicholas Pooran. I want him in my team. Nicholas Pooran, and Nicholas Pooran will be there. And for the fourth player, there is a competition between Riley Meredith and Jair Richardson, because if you see Riley Meredith, he has had an amazing season for Hobart Hurricanes in the BBL, so they can play either of them. So these will be my 4 foreign players. And coming to the Indian batting core, what do you think, Yash? What they have got and how are they going to, just arrange the lineup?
I think KL Rahul got to prove so much, because in this India-England T20 series 4 मैच ट्राई किया. केएल राहुल वाज टोटल फेलियर, जहाँ पे विराट कोहली को आके फाइनली ओपनिंग करनी पड़ी, और उन्होंने कहा कि अब अक्टूबर वाले वर्ल्ड कप में भी वही ओपनिंग करेंगे. तो अगर राहुल अपनी प्लेस वापस चाहते हैं एज अ ओपनर इन T20 इन इंडिया स्क्वाड, तो उनको ये सीजन 500-600 का वाला करना पड़ेगा.
He has to have a great season, actually.
He has to be a competitor of orange cap this season.
As Akash Chopra says, Kamal Lajawab Rahul, वैसा बनना पड़ेगा,
Kamal Lajawab Rahul.
Kamal Lajawab Rahul. So, KL Rahul will be your pick, and other than that?
I will just start with my playing 11. KL Rahul, Chris Gale, then Mayank Agarwal. Like last season, उनको स्टार्टिंग में ओपनिंग कराया गया था. He had a great year. लेकिन इस साल उनको क्रिस गेल को खिलाएंगे तो स्टार्टिंग ओपनिंग में तो नहीं मिल पाएगी, लेकिन he has to be at number 3 और अच्छा परफॉर्म करना पड़ेगा. Then at number 4 मलान, दीपक हुड्डा उनको लास्ट ईयर एक मैच एंड मोमेंट से निकाल के जिताए थे. प्रीति जिंटा's favorite शाहरुख खान this time.
Shahrukh Khan,
yes. Then 6 at number 6 प्रीति जिंटा's favorite शाहरुख खान. At number 7 Chris Jordan, 8 Jair Richardson, and 9 M Ashwin जो लास्ट ईयर कुछ क्रूशियल विकेट्स निकाले थे इन्होंने. नंबर 10 मोहम्मद शमी, जो कुछ टाइम से अभी इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट, इंडिया क्रिकेट से थोड़ा तो अभी बाहर है, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली ये इंडिया के मेन बॉलर है. T20 वर्ल्ड कप में हम चाहते हैं इनको देखें और इसलिए इनका अच्छा सीजन रहे. एंड लास्ट रवि बिश्नोई, बहुत यंग स्पिनर है, अंडर 19 मैच खेले. लास्ट सीजन में हमने देखा कि बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. जिसमें प्लेइंग 11.
Okay, so I told you my foreign players, which includes Chris Gale, David Malan, Nicholas Pooran, and either Riley Meredith or Jair Richardson. And other than that, the 7 Indian players which I would like to go with will be KL Rahul as captain, of course, opening with Mayank Agarwal, I don't want him to open with Gale. I want Gale to play one down because Gale and Mayank have been fabulous last season, you know. And
that's interesting. Gale to be at number 1.
The only positive thing that Kings 11 Punjab had last season, that is KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal opening. So I'd open with them. I would go with Gale 1 down. I'd go with Malan 2 down. I'd go with Pooran 3 down, you know. And after that, I would have that X factor in, which could be Mandeep Singh, not Deepak Hooda. I'm sorry. I want Mandeep to play. You know?
Interesting.
And Mandeep Singh will be there. And after that, the bowlers, let's come to them. I want Arshdeep to play. Arshdeep Singh, you know, he had a great season.
Last year,
and he's been quite impressive for the Punjab Kings last season, you know. Yes. Arshdeep, Mohammad Sami, and Ravi Bishnoi. I want them to play. So I guess that makes up my 11, right? Yeah. So
great playing 11, so much.
Yeah, thank you, Dash.
So according to you, who is your MVP of this team?
Kamal Lajawab Rahul. No questions asked.
Kamal Lajawab Rahul.
He will score the most runs for Punjab Kings. I'd go for him.
I think obviously it has to be KL Rahul. और सिर्फ KL राहुल पे अगर ये टीम चाहती है कि क्वालिफाई भी करे और अच्छा सीजन रहे तो सिर्फ KL राहुल और मयंक अग्रवाल के साथ साथ क्रिस गेल को भी चलना पड़ेगा. लास्ट सीजन ये हो रहा था कि KL और मयंक अग्रवाल
क्रिस गेल की खास बात ये है कि उनके दम पे आप उनको बोल दो क्रिस गेल आपकी साइड में, अगर आप उनको 14 मैच खिला रहे हो तो वो 2 या 3 मैच खुद से जिता देंगे. आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
हाँ, सिंगल हैंडली 3 मैच वो जिता रहे हैं.
आपको कोई KL राहुल की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको कोई मयंक अग्रवाल की जरूरत नहीं है. क्रिस गेल अगर वहाँ खड़े हैं तो आपको 3 मैच वो जिता देंगे, है ना. That is the contribution. So my MVP, as I said, KL Rahul, and the game changer of Kings 11 Punjab or Punjab Kings, who will be that player? You know, game changer.
It could be Mohammad Shami if he took that death over bowling seriously and took those crucial wickets without giving much runs in death over. It could be Mohammad Shami this time.
Okay, and again I'm going for an interesting pick which is not expected, and which will be Nicholas Pooran. And why I'm going for Nicholas Pooran is because he could hit those big sixes, you know, and he could launch the ball into the space, and that's why Nicholas Pooran will be the game changer. And he can just come in, and you know, he can come and bat in situations, right? The thing with Nicholas Pooran is he knows how to bat in situations. Say if a team needs 100 runs in 6 overs, Nicholas Pooran can be the dependable guy, you know, who can go there and play his natural game and just score those runs, you know, for the team. So that's why Nicholas Pooran, of course, the game changer. And Yash, do you see this team in the top 4?
I'm seeing Nicholas Pooran. If in case David Malan is not going touch proper form.
He's not in your 11, right?
But and in my 11, he's not making plays.
No problem.
Unfortunately, not.
So
this team in top 4, I don't think this time it could be, but obviously there's always fight between for the 4th position, and Punjab Kings is competitor for that 4th.
Well, as I said in the analysis of the previous team, which was KKR, this team will face some competition from KKR for that 4th spot, you know, in the Indian Premier League points table. And I want Punjab to qualify, you know. I'll just be straight. I want Punjab to qualify because last year they had a horrible season and they tried to make a great comeback. They tried to make a great comeback, but you know, due to a couple of matches, they just couldn't make it. But this time, I want them to qualify, and even, you know, I want them. I see, like, you know, I want them to do good. Not better than Mumbai Indians. It's my favorite teams. Not better than Mumbai Indians, but I want Punjab Kings to do good. And
because at the end of the day, we want to have a great IPL.
Yeah, actually, everyone wants that. You know, the viewers, the presenters, you know,
interesting matches, nail-biting matches at
actually. The double header, double super over, like the last year.
Double super overs, yeah. Mumbai versus Punjab.
That's what we want to have in this IPL. So that will be it from Kings 11 Punjab side. And again, if you liked the video, please tell us how you feel about our analysis and what we can add or what we can subtract, or which player do you feel will be the X factor, you know. Just comment down below, and you can also get a chance to come with us and have some conversations about cricket here in this channel. And over to Yash.
As we always say, we are always open to suggestions. If anyone has a suggestion for us, we'll be happy to have them. And please guys, like, comment, share. हमारा पार्ट 1 बहुत अच्छा स्पॉन्सर
उसका रिस्पांस आपने काफी अच्छा लगा मेरे को. या एक्चुअली, सो इसको भी थोड़ा सा वैसे शेयर कर दीजिए ना. नया चैनल है ना, तो थोड़ा सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है, तो कर दीजिए, है ना। और बस आप लोग तो हैं ही, हम लोग भी आपके लिए हैं ही, तो जस्ट यू नो आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस शो। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग।
एंड कम और सब उल्टा बोल दिया। डिमांड कम सप्लाई ज्यादा।
इसको ब्लूपर्स में डाल देना, ब्लूपर्स में। अबे तेरा वीडियो ऐसा होगा, अब सही है, फिर से बोल। तो सही कहा।
सेक्शन में रुकने को पानी पीने
ये
को।
सुन, एक बात सुन, हाँ यहाँ तक रिकॉर्डिंग रख लेना। आई अग्री टू वॉच आई थोड़ा काटना है, ठीक है।
ये मैं कर लेता हूँ, तुम ड्रीम 11 पे टीम बना लो।